Hello student, welcome back to VHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So we are learning our fifth chapter, that is our food and its digestion. In the previous video we have learned about our food, need of the food, and also different nutrients present in our food like protein, vitamins, carbohydrates, fats, and etc. Now in this video first we will learn about the digestion of food. Okay, digestion of food means whatever we eat, what happens with this food and where it go in our body. So in this video we have to learn. So first, we all know we eat the food. Okay, so the question first come in our mind whenever we eat the food, where it goes in our body and also what happens with this food inside our body. So first, whatever food we eat, it passes through many organs of our body. During this travel, this food gets digested in various parts. Okay, not a single part is involved in digestion system. So many organs are involved to digest our food, and finally this undigested food and that some food is digested and some food will remain undigested. So this undigested food will be removed out as a waste from our body. So first, what is digestion? We have to understand what is digestion. So digestion means breaking of complex food material to a similar food to get absorbed by our body. Okay, digestion means breaking of complex food, whatever food we are eating. So first it break into small portion, then it breaks in such a form, in such a simpler forms, it can easily absorb by our body, or it can easily digest. So digestion means breaking of complex food material to a simpler food to get absorbed by our body. Now there are so many organs involved in this digestion process. So this whole process or the whole system means the organs involved in the process of digestion are together known as digestive system. Okay, the whole organs, the all organs which are involved in this digestion process called as digestive system. Now let us we will learn about how we eat the food and how it digested in our body. So first, the food whatever we eat, it is tasted by our tongue. So we taste with the help of our tongue that this food is good, this food is sweet, sour, spicy. Now after, when we taste with the tongue, we have teeth in our mouth, so this food is chewed by teeth. Okay, now during the cutting and chewing process, the food is mixed with the saliva. Okay, the saliva is a digestive juice which is present in our mouth. All we know now, there is a juice in our mouth whenever we see some spicy or some good food. So we say na, we have watery mouth, means we have a digestive juice that is called as saliva in our mouth. So this saliva is mixed with the food, and this saliva makes the food moist, soft, easy to swallow. Okay, and saliva is also help in digestion of starch. Whatever starch we eat, it helps to digest the starch. Now after the mouth, this when we swallow the food, it start on the way through our body. First it passes from mouth down to a tube. Okay, it passes from the mouth to the tube that is called as food pipe. Okay, our food passes from mouth through the food pipe into the stomach. Okay, through the food pipe, our food goes to the stomach. Now we have a question: what is the biggest organ of our body? So the answer will be the stomach is our biggest organ of our body. Okay, if someone asks which is the biggest organ of our body, so our answer will be the stomach is our biggest organ. Okay, now this stomach, this food reach to the stomach as a paste. Okay, as a paste. Now whenever this paste enters into a very long tube-like structure which is called as small intestine. You can see in the picture. Okay, this paste from stomach to go to small intestine. The small intestine is nearly 6 meters in length. Okay, the length of small intestine in our body is about 6 meter in length. The small intestine also secretes some juices which help in further digestion. Okay, which help. Now, why we are talking about again and again juices, we will take an example whenever we have to grind a pulse or grind the rice. So we add water to grind easily. So same way, when we have to make a paste of a solid food, we need some water. So in our body, uh, discharge some juices which helps our solid food convert into a paste in a simpler form to be digest easily. Now the digested simple food enters into blood from small intestine and then supplied to our all our body part. Okay, so whatever food is digested, it mixed with our blood. Then this we also know that food gives us energy. So how we will get the energy from the food? So digested food mixes with the blood, and this we all know the blood circulates in all our bodies. In this way we get the energy from our food, and this food is supplied to all our body parts. Now the remaining undigested food, what happens with the undigested food? So the waste materials from the undigested food enters another tube like structure which is called as large intestine. Okay, in the small intestine only digested part is there, which is goes mixes into the blood and goes to all over the part of our body, and the undigested food go in a large intestine. Okay, the major part of water contained present in the food is absorbed by the walls of large intestine. Okay, now from there it goes out from our body through an opening known that is anus. Okay, from the anus our undigested food go out from our body. So in this way, this is the whole procedure how we eat the food and how our body digested this food. Okay, now we have a next topic related to our food, that is preservation of food. Means most of our food items which we eat, some are cooked or some we are just eat as a raw, like fruits, nuts, some vegetables like carrot, radish, tomato, onion, cucumber. So we eat is as a raw form, and some vegetables are like potato we eat by cooked. So whenever we eat raw vegetables or fruits, we should wash them before eating, because these raw fruits and vegetables provide some minerals and vitamins we have. We all know that these fruits have minerals and vitamins, so it is very good, very healthy for our body to eat such things. But whenever we eat raw vegetables and fruit, we should wash them, because these unwashed fruits may be touched by flies, germs, or dust. So it will also goes in our body with the fruits. Whenever we eat raw fruits and things, first we have to wash them properly before eating. Now another thing, we should never leave the cut fruits and vegetable open. Okay, we should never leave cut fruits and vegetable open, because whenever we leave them openly, maybe germs, flies, and dust will gather over them. Okay, and the food item will not be fit for eating, as it can cause diseases, because if the germs, flies, dust are present on the already cutted fruits and vegetable and we eat, so it will goes with the fruits and vegetable inside our bodies. So it is better we will not keep cut fruits and vegetable open. Now the next thing we have, we should always wash the fruits and vegetables before cutting. Okay, we should always wash the fruits and vegetables before cutting, because if we wash them after cutting, So water soluble vitamins and minerals will be washed away with the water. There are some minerals and minerals and vitamins which is very soluble in the water. So whatever vitamins and minerals are present inside the fruits and vegetable, when we cut them then wash, so all these vitamins and minerals will also be washed away with the water, and we will not get that much amount of nutrient in our food. So before cutting them, first we have to wash them properly, then we have to cut these fruits and vegetables. Now the next topic we have, why do we cook food? What is the need to cook food? Okay, first we can there are so many foods we can eat it as a raw. Then what is the need to cook food? So first thing we have, cooking makes food tasty. Okay, the very important, we eat for our health, that is correct, but we second aspect is also there, we eat our food as a taste, because we want a good taste for ourselves, so that's why also we eat the food. So cooking makes food tasty, and it makes food more appetizing. Okay, appetizing means it can easily digest. It makes food soft and helps in easy digestion. Okay, whenever we cook the food, it makes food soft and it can be easily digest in our body, and it improves the quality of food. As we all know that by heating the food or by cooking the food, germs easily can be removed from the food, so it improves the quality of food. And also it makes in killing many germs that cause diseases, because we know on the high temperature, germs are automatically killed. So by cooking, we can save us from the different diseases. So these are the benefits of cooking the food. Now we will meet in the next video. Till, thank you.